My name is Eric Blondeau. I'm responsible for the tracks and wheels for CAMSO, agricultural division. So we're here today at the show to introduce our new roading track. We're very proud about this accomplishment. It's a significant improvement over its predecessor. Basically, we had a lot of requests from farmers to actually we're the off-road company, but they need to do more roading when going from field to field because farms are expanding, but unfortunately they sometimes have to travel on roads to get to the next field. And the tracks were wearing out, you know, if you rode for hours on end, and they asked us to improve it. So we came up with this solution. Basically the technology we're introducing is the compound that has changed, and the way that it's applied to the track is completely new. And in the end, this allows an end user, when they're roading, to increase the life of their product by 20%. So it's quite significant for them. While at the same time, there is no compromise at all about the product in the field and in the operations that they're running when they're operating the farm. So, so we're very proud about that. And when we compare this product to the competition, we can see that for the farmers, in the end, it will end up to 30 to 40% lower cost per hour. So a lot of money is going to stay in their pockets at the end of the life of their product, instead of if they go for a competitor product. So this is going to be a very big gap. And for now, it's only available for Case IH road track, Magnum road track, and New Holland T8 road track. But we are developing the application and the technology for some of the harshest applications out there. So it's going to come soon. The claim that we make is that our tracks will last 30 to 40%, no, 20% longer than the previous generation, but the cost per hour of using our products is going to be lower by 30 to 40%. And the reason why is not only the compounds we're using, but it's mainly around the construction itself. So we have a unique manufacturing process, and obviously we perform a lot of tests, we compare ourselves to the competition, we make sure we're always ahead. But you know, a rubber track is black, it's rubber, it fits on my tractor, should work fine, it should be all the same. But what you can see if you do an x-ray and look at the inside of the carcass, you can see how the cables are laid out and how all the components are exactly where they're supposed to be. So that's what our process produces. If you look at what the other guys out there are doing, they're using a molded technology, which basically is putting together a big slab of rubber after they finish the construction, and they apply a lot of pressure and heat the rubber together so that the rubber will flow and it will fill the cavities in the mold. So when doing that, there is movement, and unfortunately it's dragging the cables alongside with it. So what you can see here, if you look at a molded track, you will see cables waving. So what happens is the cables just beside them need to compensate for those cables that are not pulling their weight, and the cables that are wavy are going to try to get back to a straight line, and this in the end will cause internal damage. So that is why what you're looking for is really a straight, sound internal construction, and this is what our unique process can provide. Yeah, we have plans to introduce this technology to other applications. We're working with customers at this moment, and we're working on various applications that are harder to support for the track systems, and it's just a matter of time before you will see that we will introduce this technology to other applications out there to always give more to the farmers for their money. If anybody wants to get to know more about our products and the applications that they're doing and what kind of product that they need, we have a ton of product. We have the broadest range of products. Our process really makes sure that allows us to have very different solutions for every type of application. So just come and visit us at the booth while at the show. If you can't come at the booth while at the show, we have our website, which is camso.co, or we have over there we have a dealer locator, we have a product locator. You will also find our customer service direct line that you can call these guys anytime, and we're always there to help and support you guys.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.